Could a simple pedal upgrade really make that much difference to your motorcycle control? We're about to find out. This isn't just any replacement part. It's the motorcycle left and right pedal assembly, and it claims to offer a complete transformation for your ride. Right out of the box, the quality is immediately apparent. This isn't some flimsy aftermarket piece. It's constructed from high-quality materials, designed to withstand the relentless demands of the road. One can tell it's built for durability, promising to endure countless miles and all sorts of riding conditions, which is exactly what you want from a critical component like this. The package itself is a pleasant surprise. It's a complete set, meaning you get all the necessary connecting brackets, the pedal tubes, and every little accessory you need. This attention to detail really streamlines the process. And speaking of process, installation is genuinely straightforward. With everything included and designed to fit, even someone with basic mechanical skills could likely get this mounted without much fuss. It's a huge plus for both seasoned riders and those just starting out who might be hesitant about complex modifications. But where this assembly truly shines is in its performance. The moment a rider puts their feet on these, the improved ergonomics are noticeable. It enhances control and maneuverability in a way that's quite remarkable. Shifting gears feels more precise, almost intuitive, and braking becomes a more confident action. That extra bit of precision can make a significant difference, especially when navigating tight turns or reacting quickly in traffic. It truly elevates the rider's connection to the bike. One might not think much about pedals, but they are a crucial interface between rider and machine. By upgrading to this assembly, the entire riding experience feels smoother and undeniably more comfortable. It's not just about functionality, it's about feeling more connected, more in command, and ultimately enjoying every journey that much more. It's a subtle change that yields surprisingly profound results. So does it deliver on its promises? Absolutely. For anyone looking to genuinely enhance their motorcycle's control, comfort, and overall riding pleasure, this left and right pedal assembly is a truly impressive and worthwhile upgrade. It's a solid investment that pays dividends in every ride.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.